Hello, welcome to Mate Maths. Show that the derivative of log x to the base of 3 is equal to 1 over x ln3. Show that the derivative of log x to the base of 3 is equal to 1 over x ln3. Let's write our solution first. Let's repeat this one. Derivative of log x to the base of 3. Now, here we are going to let y be equal to this. You let y be equal to log x to the base of 3. Okay, so let y, that's log. Now let's write y is equal to log x to the base of 3. Now here, to get x, we need to get x, or we need to isolate x. So to do that, we have to apply the definition of logarithm to find what? X. Okay, so applying the definition, x will be equal to 3 raised to the power y. X will be equal to 3 raised to the power y. All because the definition states that log of a number, say a, is the index to which the base must be raised to give the number. So if we want to find this x here, all that we have to do is write this 3 and power it with what? Y, and that will give us the value for what? X. So x will be equal to 3 raised to the power y. Okay, so let's write x is equal to 3 raised to the power y. So now here we are just going to take natural log of both sides. So take ln of both sides. Now when you take ln of both sides, this one will give us ln x, and it will be equal to ln3 raised to the power y. Okay, so let's write ln x is equal to ln3 raised to the power y. Now this one, from the law of logarithm, that is the law of exponent, which states that log a to the power b can be written as log a to the power b can be written as b multiplied by log a, or b log a can be written as log a to the power b. So applying this law, ln 3 to the power y can be written as y ln 3, y ln 3. Okay, so we are going to get ln x will be equal to y ln 3. Okay, so let's write. Now here we are going to differentiate. We are just going to differentiate. So differentiate. Now when we differentiate this, when you differentiate ln x, we are going to get 1 over x dx. And when you differentiate this, we are going to get ln3 dy, ln3 dy. Okay, so let's write. One over x dx is equal to ln3 dy. Now here we need to get dy over dx, and that will give us the answer that we are looking for. So to do that, here we have to multiply through by x. We have to multiply through by x, and that will take away this 1 over x. Okay, so let's multiply through by x. X multiplied by 1 over x dx is equal to x times ln 3 dy. Now here this x will cancel out with this x, and it will be left with dx. Okay, And when when x is multiplied by ln3 dy, we are going to get xln3 dy. Okay, so let's write. Now here we are just going to divide both sides by dy. We are just going to divide both sides by dy. Okay, so we divide this one by dy and also divide this one by what? Dy. Okay, so let's write. Divide both sides by dy. So let's divide. Dx over dy is equal to x ln3 dy over dy. Now here, this and this will cancel out and it will be left with x ln3. So when we divide both sides by dy, we are going to get dx over dy is equal to x ln3. Okay, so let's write. Dx over dy is equal to x ln3. Now, like I said, or as I said earlier, I said we have to get dy over dx, dy over dx. But here we are having dx over dy. So what are we going to do? All that we are going to do is to reciprocate. And by reciprocation, this one will come up here and this one will come down here. And also this one, the denominator is 1. So that one will come up and then x ln3 will come down. And that will give us dy over dx will be equal to now the reciprocal of what? This one. Okay, so let's reciprocate. So reciprocate. So to reciprocate, we are going to get dy over dx is equal to 1 over x ln3. Okay, so let's write. Dy over dx is equal to 1 over x ln 3. Now, the derivative of log x to the base of 3, which is being represented by dy over dx, is now equal to 1 over x ln 3. And this tells us why when we differentiate log x to the base of 3, it gives us 1 over x ln 3. Okay, so let's complete it. So therefore, the derivative of log x to the base of 3 is equal to 1 over x ln 3. Okay, all right, that's it. Please, if you like this video, kindly give it a thumbs up, subscribe and comment. Thanks for watching.